Today, we're going to learn about multiplying monomials and polynomials. Just use the distributive property. So for example, if we had 2 and in parentheses 3 plus 2, then it'd be 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 2 times 2, which is 4. And this would be equal to 10. Having variables doesn't change the fact that you distribute the same way. First, we'd multiply 4x times 2x, then 4x times 3. So 4x times 2x, 4 times 2 is 8, and x times x is x squared. So that's the first half. Then we have 4x times 3, which is 4 times 3, which is 12, times x. So our answer is going to be 8x squared plus 12x. The second one's a little bit harder. We have negative 2y times, in parentheses, 5y squared plus 3y minus 5. So negative 2y times 5y squared, that's going to be negative 10y cubed. Since negative 2 times 5 is negative 10 and y times y squared, you add the exponents since they're being multiplied together. So y to the first times y to the second is 1 plus 2. Then we have negative 2y times 3y. That's going to be negative 6y squared. And finally, we have negative 2y times negative 5, which is 10y. So this is the final expression here. Lastly, we have two separate variables, y and z, and we have to use the distributive property to simplify this expression. So the first one here is going to be 5y squared times z times 3y cubed times z squared. So that's going to be 15y to the fifth, since we add 2 plus 3, and z to the third. And the second part is going to be 5y cubed times z times 6y times z. 5 times 6 is 30. Y squared times y is y cubed. And then we have z times z, which is z squared. So now adding these together, so that's going to be our final expression.